This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off location services on the Zen Web Browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Zen Web Browser opened up now. To enable or disable location services, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left-hand corner, down to the little gear wheel. I'm going to click on the gear wheel. And that will open up the Settings page. And on this page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the Permission section. And in the Permission section, right here, Location, you want to click on Settings off to the right side of Location. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, down towards the very bottom it says Block New Requests Asking to Access Your Location. If this is checked, you're blocking any new requests to access your location. If it is unchecked, you're allowing websites to ask for your location. If there's any websites listed in this box right here, down towards the bottom, you can click on, you could select one of them, click on Remove Website, or you could click on Remove All, and then all websites will have to abide by this permission right here. Block new requests to ask for your location. Then you would go down to the bottom and click on Save Changes. That is how to enable or disable location services in the Zen Web Browser. Thanks for watching.